Hey there. In this video, I'll guide you on how to make up to $700 or even more using ChatGPT. It's a straightforward process. Just head over to ChatGPT, type your requirements, and once it's done, copy, paste, deliver, and get paid instantly. However, let's keep it real. This method is about earning some extra cash to boost your income, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Stick around till the end to learn how to stand out and achieve the best results. We're leveraging ChatGPT to make some money. For instance, let's ask the chatbot to summarize a book like Atomic Habits, a service that usually costs up to $100. Thanks to ChatGPT, you can now get a summarized book with just one click, saving you time and money. Imagine the possibilities for making money using ChatGPT. Here's a practical example. On Fiverr.com, a popular freelance marketplace, ebook writing services are in demand and have limited competition compared to other services. Copywriting usually takes a lot of time and experience, leading to high hourly charges. But fear not, you don't need to spend years learning copywriting. Instead, let's use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. For example, if your client needs an ebook on muscle building, head to chat.openai.com and have the chatbot generate the book for you. But remember, to get top-notch results, be specific and creative in guiding the chat. Don't just ask the bot to write an ebook. Split the process into stages for high-quality outcomes. I'll show you what I mean. When writing an ebook about, say, muscle building, start by asking the chatbot for name suggestions. Once you have a name, move on to the book's content, its outline structure. Follow the generated outline section by section to craft a professionally written ebook. It might take some time, but the result will make you stand out. If you're interested in more ways to make money with ChatGPT, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more videos with valuable information. That's it for today. Always remember, the longer you delay, the more money you're missing out on. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.